right here will be one of the last loads of corn harvest this year. Front hopper is full. Only have a little bit of, have a few little things in the little curvy area around my neighbor's house. It's a bit breezy out. The dust is kind of picking up, but that's okay. I was gonna post on I was gonna post these past couple of days, but then I got sick, so I couldn't. But that's why I'm posting right now. But I'm unloading into the truck right now. My grandpa wore the unloading belt off. I can show you where that is once I finish unloading. Well, and so we had to replace that today. But the truck is full. I'm going to try to fit the rest of the stuff in the grain bin. Sorry, the grain tank in this combine. So, the truck is now full. And, oh, wait a second. I gotta get this thing open somehow. Here, just wait a second. Hold this for me. Thank you, corn stalks. Well, so this belt right here, it's underneath this cover right here. We had to replace these two belts because my grandpa broke them off. But the truck is full as of right now. And our grain cart is just over there. But I still got a little bit of corn left to do. And then that'll wrap up corn harvest for the year. But so this field is done now. So this field is done. So it's almost done, but this will be the last combining for 2024. So this right here is a little area down by my neighbors. This little curvy path. So that's the last part that we're doing. This is some really nice corn for what it is. Oh shoot. Almost gobbled up the tree. That's okay. But trees aren't good. Do not get trees in your corn header. It's not good for the corn header or the machine, which I'm about to do right here. Holy crap, that was a close one. So this right here is the last corn of the 2024 harvest season. Right there. That's it, guys. That's the last corn for the 2024 harvest season. So about right now, the corn is officially harvested. Harvest is over. Every single soybean and corn is harvested. The truck is just over there and it is full. So I have about a third of tank left in the combine right now. But I'm going to leave the combine in the field. I'm going to take the grain cart home because I believe the grain cart is empty. But this is not like the end of my farming experience because I don't only do harvest. But most likely tomorrow or the next day, or my next video will most likely be me in the ripper. But that should be pretty fun. We got this field to rip and then a little bit more. And then fall harvest and tillage will be done. I just want to thank you all for watching my videos. You bring a lot of joy for comments and everything. So if you have any comments on anything, just put it in the comment section of one of my videos or my latest video, and just ask about my farm or tractor or really anything. I will get back to you as soon as I can, I promise. But I just want to thank you. If you enjoy this content, please subscribe. That would help me out quite a lot. And you guys have a good rest of your night. Happy trails.